Hello. So let's just get right into this. I ordered from 7 Hot Dates and it came in a box like this. It smells super funky in there, I'm not gonna lie. I ordered 2 different kinds because that was already $70. Holy cow. I don't know why it smells so weird in there. I'm gonna say it wrong. I think I got what's called the Zahidi. I'm saying it wrong. Whatever. And then I got the Medjool Dates. Now, there are like different pricings you can get, but there weren't a lot of descriptions that I really wanted. I don't like dates that taste like honey. I like very caramely, mapley flavored dates. So first, let's try the Zahidi. I don't know. This is what they look like. They're pretty small. Wow, they're a lot firmer than I was expecting. I just thought like they'd be a little soft, but they're actually pretty hard. So if I were to use these in a recipe, I would definitely need to soak them. They're not hard. I guess I should say they're very dry, and I wasn't expecting that. So let's just try one. These supposedly taste like peanut butter and have a nutty flavor, so. I can't say that they really taste like nut butter to me. I mean, I'll say this. They're not very sweet, and they're actually a lot softer when you start to chew them than I was expecting. Because like I said, they feel really dry, but they don't taste dry. Like, you know how sometimes dates can be where they're like stringy almost, and there's like kind of like weird webby stuff on the inside, and it's just, you can really taste like the fibers in, I don't even know if fibers is the right word, but hopefully you know what I'm talking about, that you get with some dates. Even if you have like deglet dates, they tend to be very like, they just have a weird texture, but these are actually, even though they're dry feeling, they're very creamy. Like, I don't feel like I'm getting that weird texture on the inside. I mean, kind of, not bad. I like these. I think this is a lot of dates for me to eat them all, but it's okay. I would eat more, but I didn't give insulin, so I really should not be eating any more dates right now. I think they're really good. I can't say that they taste like peanut butter. I'll try one more bite. I mean, like, kinda, but I don't know. They just taste like a less sweet Medjool date, which is nice, because some Medjool dates are like really sweet. All right, I gave an insulin shot because my blood sugars are not the best today. So I got this one. These are the Medjool Firm Pack. And the reason I didn't get their wet pack, it sounds so weird, is because I don't like when my dates are so sticky and gooey. I mean, it's great for like recipes, don't get me wrong, but I usually just like eating them on their own. And then if I am gonna blend them into something, then I usually just will blend it with a little bit of water. So hopefully I didn't make a mistake in getting a firm pack, but I have a good feeling. All right. Again, this box smells so weird. It doesn't smell good. Here is the firm pack. I am so glad I did this. Look how soft this is. Look how soft that is. It is really like so, this is great. This is like my perfect dates. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is, I could have ordered more of these. Wow. Oh, they're so gooey inside. I will tell here. Okay. Oh, I'm so stoked. Let us try one of these. They are pretty like stringy. Probably can't see from that far away, but they smell like very caramel. That's the best date I've ever had. I feel like that is the flavor keeps going. Wow. Wow, that is really good. You know what it is too? They're not crystallized yet. So they're not like overly sugary. They're just so good. Oh my gosh, I will definitely be ordering another one of these. If you don't like something that's like super gooey, these are still so soft. These are pretty great. Highly recommend 7 Hot Dates. They didn't send me these. I had to pay a lot of money. So I believe this pack, 3 pounds of Medjool dates, cost me $41 for the firm pack, and I think for the wet pack it's $44. So that's expensive. That's an expensive fruit. But I tell you what, these really are like some of the best dates. I think this would be such a great gift to give someone if they like are a huge date fan like myself. Highly recommend this brand. If there are other brands out there that I don't know about, please let me know. Cause the first one that I had found that had like, is known for like fresh dates, and these are so good. And they're in season right now. If you're watching this in September, October, check them out. These are Medjool dates that I got from the store. I got these from Sprouts, which is like a local chain in our area. And you can see that the skin is coming off of the date, unlike 7 Hot Dates where it was like really stuck in there with a tight skin. And then you can also see how these are just, see how dry, like if I pinch it nothing really happens, whereas the other dates were just slowly coming apart. Now these aren't bad by any means. I think they're pretty good, but the 7 Hot Date ones were definitely less like sugary and still had that caramel maple flavor. So, you know, just guess, you know, take that into account if you're thinking of getting them. But maybe they'll get sweeter as the season progresses, like as they get older. If you got a pack that have been sitting around for longer, I don't know really the science of dates, but hopefully this will help you if you're trying to decide like, is it worth it, should I get it? I would say yeah. And if you're someone like me who doesn't really like ooey gooey messy dates, then try getting the firm pack, because they're not dry, they're just a little bit firmer, and I think it's perfection for me. So anyways, let me know if there are some other fruit brands out there that I should try. I'd be so excited and happy to do so. I'm trying to expand my fruit horizons. What? Okay, I'm gonna go take some insulin and enjoy some more dates. So bye.